Yes. So, hello and good morning, one and all. As we are discussing the chapter number 7, experiment with water. And I'm sure that you already had small experiment with water in your house. As I told you in earlier period, do small experiment with water. And what you observe, you have to share to me. Today, we are going to discuss about something more about the Dead Sea and the Dandi March. Before starting my class, I want to give you a small test. The test is only for 2 minutes. You ready for the test? You ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
ready
sir.
for the test? You
Yes,
ready
sir.
for the
Yes,
test?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I am ready. Yes, sir. I am ready for this test. I am also ready for the test. Sir, I am also
When you
ready.
speak, when you speak in more number, it is very difficult. As you know, as I told you, this is a sign language you already studied. If you're ready, just show me the thumb. Now, now in your notebook, this is a classwork. You have to write 5 things. I think you are hearing something. Yes. Now you are writing 5 things which are floating on the water and 5 things which sink in the water. And your time
Sir.
starts now. 1 minute activity. You are writing 5 objects names which can float on the water and 5 objects which sink in the water. Please write within 1 minute. Your time start now.
Sir, I have a doubt that I just joined Kendriya Vidyalaya just now. So,
Yeah, I
um,
will talk to you. Yeah. Sanvi, I know. Sanvi Magar. Sanvi
मैम
Magar.
क्लास वर्क में लिखना है. Yes.
Yeah, whenever you join my class, you should have EVS notebook with you. Classwork and homework you are writing together. So
Yes, sir, but
Sanvi, I'm telling to you, you should have one notebook for the EVS. On that notebook, you have to write question and answers, notes, or any homework as I assign to you. Please write on the same notebook. If you don't have notebook, you can write on a sheet of a paper. Okay, Sanvi? Okay.
I have the notebook, my chapters are left like super senses and all the
No problem,
chapters
no
I
problem.
didn't.
Sanvi, I will take the revision for you and for all the students. Don't worry about that. You start from the first page, wherever you start. Okay, you should have
Okay,
one EVS
so
notebook.
I can start from this chapter from the first page of the notebook.
No need to leave any pages. Okay, you just start from first page. I will guide you personally afterward. Okay. Now the work is given to you. 5 objects name you are writing which are floating on the water and the objects which are sink in the water. As soon as you complete your work, you please raise your finger. And after that,
Okay.
we will continue. Sakshi Barge is looking at me. Sakshi, would you like to say something? Yeah. Sakshi, please. Sakshi Barge. Okay, she's not there in the class, but I saw her. Anyone? Anyone who complete the work, please raise your hand. Sakshi Barge, yeah. Sakshi Barge, I pin up you. Please tell me your answer. I think she may have some network issue. Yeah, Swastik Samantha, will you read your answer, please? Swastik Samantha.
Sir, I did not complete.
No, whatever you wrote, please read out.
Okay, sir. Empty bottle and a piece of plastic.
Okay, now mute yourself. Now, who is raising hand? Yes, Arnav Khandial. Arnav, yeah, please read your
Sir,
answer. Hmm?
no, sir, I have only a doubt.
No, but I have assigned you some work, and doubt session is the last session, as you know very well. Have you
Okay.
complete the
Sir,
work?
I have done.
No,
No,
you will
sir.
not get chance. Aditi will not get chance today. As I requested you so many times, please raise your hand. You will get chance. Komal, please. Komal.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. What you wrote, please tell me.
Both. Oil, plastic bag, pencil, and empty. And sink. Lemon, eraser, and tomato.
Okay, very nice. And the object which sink in the water. Okay, Komal, I can't hear you. Now you just mute yourself. Now I'm giving chance
Sir,
to Darsh. Darsh, please reply. No need to say, sir. I can see your fingers.
sing, sing, corn, earring, fingering, lemon.
Okay. And the object which float on the water.
Floor, board, pencil, pen cap, and lemon.
Okay. Good. Now mute yourself. Yes. Any other? Abhirvai Jadhav. Yes, Abhirvai. I can see your finger.
Yes, sir. Uh, Objects which float on water are plastic, wood, ship, leaf, and paper, and
Mhm.
which sink are humans, animals, steel, iron, glass, soap.
Okay. Well tried. Okay. I want to see some new child. Yeah. Yes. These are regular students. They used to participate. Okay. Okay. Nice to
Sir,
see.
can I tell? I have
No.
completed.
No, Arushi, today you are not joining the class as Sanvi is new student. You are a regular student. Okay, this activity we already done in previous period also. I don't want to spend much more time. Please have a practice. Now I want to present you something for you, and if I
Yes,
call
sir.
your name, then only you have to read or answer my questions. Now I'm presenting for you. I hope it is visible to you all. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, sir, it is visible. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, now
Sir,
please mute
yes,
yourself. Please mute yourself.
yes,
You can
sir.
answer me by showing me the thumb. Yes.
Yes.
Now this is very Dekho. When I am giving any video, the video is always short. Okay. Now I'm playing this video.
I'm floating on the Dead Sea, but according to experts, by 2050, it will disappear. The Dead Sea is a body of water that lies between Israel and Jordan. It is a significant place to Jews, Christians, and Muslims alike. One of the oldest known manuscripts of the Hebrew Bible, the Dead Sea Scrolls, were found in one of the caves here in the region. This place is one of the most amazing places on earth. It is the lowest dry point on earth. It is one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world. And actually, because of the high concentration of salt in the water, you can notice your body with ancient salty lake. But here's the other side of the coin. The Dead Sea is dying rapidly. So here you can see that the Dead Sea used to be here. The water used to be here. Every year, it is retreating by more than 3 feet. Every year. This retreatment is causing an environmental catastrophe. There are over 6,000 sinkholes caused by the receding water. These sinkholes swallow up buildings and roads, turning beautiful tourism shores into unstable danger zones. Every year, the Dead Sea is getting further from these beautiful hotels that need to chase after it. At least 2 of Israel's beaches and 1 tourist resort have closed, while parts of Highway 90 have vanished into earth. Now, what is causing all of this? In short, humans. This is a man-made catastrophe. Mineral extraction is a big industry in this region. Companies on both sides of the border are pumping an estimated 61.3 billion gallons of seawater every year. This water is then placed in pools so it can evaporate, and then these companies take valuable potash, bromine, and other substances. So, see what I'm telling you guys? Right where I'm standing, there used to be water, but now, creating these pools, I don't know what this one is for, but there used to be water here. To them, it's just business, but to us, it's an environmental catastrophe that kills the Dead Sea. Now listen, this world doesn't have another Dead Sea. There is only one, and it's vanishing. Israel and Jordan want to save the Dead Sea. They came up with a $1.5 billion project to transfer water from the Red Sea to the Dead Sea with the help of other countries. But so far, it's stuck, and the Dead Sea continues to shrink. These companies are not restricted enough or regulated. Enough is enough. We only have one Earth. Economy is not everything in life. Keeping the gifts that we have in this planet is way more important. Saving the Dead Sea is the responsibility of the entire world. Share this video. We, the citizens of this Earth, have the power to change the world.
Okay. So I presented this just 2.5 minute video, and I hope you listen it carefully. Now, I would like to ask some different student what you understand from this video. Sakshi Barge first. Sakshi Barge. What you understand from this video? Sakshi Barge.
Yes.
आप एक लाइन में, 2 लाइन में, 3 लाइन में आप जो समझ में आया वो आप बोलोगी और मुझे बताओगी. साक्षी बारगे बोलो. Sakshi Barge, can you hear me? I think you may have some network issue. Others, those who are ready, please raise your hand. Samyak Shelar. Samyak Shelar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your camera is off. If you want to say something, please switch on your camera and sit properly. Yeah, please reply now. What you understand from this video?
Sir, I understand from this video another country want water of Dead Sea, and this mission and that mission was failed by.
Okay, so please listen carefully once again afterward. Okay. Yes, Swastik Samantha. Swastik Samantha. Yeah, please tell me in 2 sentences only.
Sir, I never think that Dead Sea is one in Earth, and humans are taking lot of in 1 year salt, so it is not more Dead Sea.
Okay, well tried. Very good, Swastik Samantha. Then, yes, Yashraj. Yashraj, please tell me what you understand from this video.
सर ये अबू धाबी और वगैरह है ना, उसमें डेजर्ट ही डेजर्ट है, लेकिन वहाँ बिल्डिंग्स कैसे बनाए जाते हैं?
ये वीडियो के बारे में बता रहा है या पूछ रहा है? आपका क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं है, लेकिन हमने जो वीडियो दिखाया आप उसके बारे में आपको क्या समझ में आया ये आप बताएंगे मुझे. आपका क्वेश्चन का मैं जरूर आंसर दे दूंगा. बताइए. मतलब आप क्लास में अपने ही दुनिया में थे, आपका ध्यान नहीं था मैं जो बता रहा था. तो ईवीएस में आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन देखा जाता है, आप कितने ध्यान से देख रहे हो, कितने ध्यान से आप जो है उसको याद रखते हो और अपनी भाषा में बताते हो. इफ आई गिव चांस टू अदिति, फिर बच्चे बोलते कि सर अदिति को हमेशा चांस देते. अदिति तो बोलेगी, मैं दूसरे स्टूडेंट को चांस देना चाहता हूँ, वो बोल नहीं रहे. या आरुष क्या है? आरुषि राहेगावकर बोलिए। आरुषि राहेगावकर।
Sir, I understood in this video that we have to save the Dead Sea.
Oh, very nice. This is the very simple message from the video. It is our responsibility to save the Dead Sea. Very nice, Arushi. This is the main theme. Very good. Now, I would like to give chance to Kasturi. Kasturi is very eager to answer in 2 sentences only.
Okay, sir. So, understand in this video that we have to save the Dead Sea, and um, the Dead Sea also get a mission, but it's got failed because of the
Okay.
COVID.
Okay. Now, I would like to give chance to Sanvi Magar. Sanvi, just within 2 to 3 sentences, not more than that.
From this video, I understand that the Dead Sea is completely drying because of the factories and because of humans storing plastic in the Dead Sea, and there's only one Dead Sea on the earth, um, and we have to save the Dead Sea.
Yeah.
And there are two countries two countries were helping to save the Dead Sea through transferring the water to the Dead Sea through a pipe, but that pipe got stuck, so it can't be passed through, and the mission is failed. So
Oh,
we have
very
to
nice.
save the Dead Sea.
Very nice, Savi. You listen it very patiently, and I'm happy to hear your answer. Very nice. Now, Arnav Khandial, please conclude in 2 minutes. Arnav.
Yes, sir. Sir, the Dead Sea is a salt sea.
Mhm.
Dead Sea is the lowest body of water on the surface of the earth.
Hmm.
And we save the Dead Sea.
Okay, it is our responsibility, not the responsibility of Israel and Jordan. The Dead Sea falls in between Israel and Jordan countries. No one is telling about the country's name. And why Dead Sea is destroying and vanishing now, Aditi will give the final comment on this. Aditi, I'm always reserve you for the final comment.
Sir, I understood that the Dead Sea are vanishing. So the Israel plan to keep the water one Dead Sea.
Aditi, we can't hear you, but no problem. You try to explain. Anyhow, so this is about the Dead Sea. If you are reading any context or any new things from the textbook, just Google it through the YouTube or just Google it through the link which we are providing to you. Please listen carefully and try to understand. Let me summarize what the video is saying. Mostly the big companies, they are extracting different chemicals from that area, and because of that, that water is absorbed in the earth. That's why the water in the Dead Sea is decreasing every year near about 3 feet. They are extracting so many things, so many companies are there, and Dead Sea is famous for the tourist destination. So many hotels are there, but day by day the water is decreasing, and because of that the water will go far away.
Sorry,
And
आपका problem है.
who is saying, please raise your hand. I would like to ask Kasturi, can you hear me? Kasturi.
Yes, sir.
Darsh, can you hear me? Darsh, can you hear me? Okay. Swarali, can you hear me? Swarali. Okay, thank you. So please do not interrupt in between. So I was telling about the Dead Sea, and this Dead Sea is fall between the Jordan and Israel country. Both country have decided to restore, to save this destination, but still this is not possible. They try to bring the good quality water from far away so it can be saved. It's a very good destination for the tourist place, but even though it is not possible, but For the earning purpose, for the money purpose, the people are extracting so many things from the earth, and because of that, the water is snipped in the earth, and day by day, water is decreasing from the Dead Sea. So it is our responsibility to save this thing from that area, not only the Jordan and Israel, but even the companies which are situated nearby that sea. So this is about the Dead Sea. I already shared this video. You are requested to read it, and I am going to conduct a quiz on this. I hope you read it, you observe it carefully. Now let's move toward the Dandi March. This is also just 2-minute video. Can I share with you? Please show me the slide. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Be patient and listen.
The Salt March by Esther David. Starting in 1835, when provinces in India increasingly came under British rule, the British imposed a tax on Indian salt and a series of salt laws. The tax raised the price of Indian salt and made it difficult for Indians, especially poor people, to buy the salt they needed. The salt laws made it illegal for Indians to collect, produce, or sell salt. Anyone who produced or sold salt in India outside of the British could be imprisoned for 6 months. Gandhi and many others found the imposition of the salt tax and the restrictions on salt production unfair and decided to protest against them. He said, "Next to air and water, salt is perhaps the greatest necessity of life. Salt is important because it makes our food taste good. But more importantly, salt is essential for our health." Gandhi organized a salt march from the Gandhi ashram in Ahmedabad to the seaside village of Dandi in the south of Gujarat. It started on the 12th of March, 1930, with Gandhi and 78 people. We know them as freedom fighters because they struggled not only against unfair laws, but also for Indian freedom from British rule. Along the 240 miles from Ahmedabad to Dandi, thousands of people from all over India joined the march to protest British rule, the high salt taxes, and the unfairness of not being allowed to produce and sell their own salt. Gandhi and his followers walked about 12 miles a day and reached Dandi in 3 weeks. He called it a battle of right against might. At the end of the march, Gandhi picked up some grains of salt from the seashore and took a pledge. "With these crystals of salt, I am going to shake the foundation of the British Empire." With the Dandi March, Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement against the British Empire. Following the Salt March, 80,000 Indians, along with Gandhi, were jailed. But the British administration eventually relented and invited Gandhi to London to discuss reforms in India. Gandhi's Salt March got wide news coverage and proved to be a turning point in the history of India's independence movement and led to independence in 1947. With this simple act of standing up against injustice, Gandhi shook the foundation of the British Empire in India. He showed that by working together, people of conviction and courage, even if each one is as small and powerless as a grain of salt, can make an enormous difference.
I hope this is a very encouraging, marvelous, and inspirational story for one and all, as we are celebrating the 76th Independence Day in coming Sunday. And on this occasions, we should remember and respect our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. You may heard about him, but what he did in earlier days, and because of that we got the freedom. So I would like to take comment from you what you understand from this video. No, other than Sanvi and Aditi, they are always to say. Okay, now Piyush also is not getting chance, so let the Piyush speak. Yes, Piyush, बताओ आपको क्या समझ में आया?
गांधी जी
जोर से.
गांधी जी 19 मार्च को 1947 में दांडी मार्च को गए थे.
क्या किया उन्होंने?
वहाँ पे वो डेड सी के पास जाने के बाद उन्होंने हाथ में थोड़ा सा नमक लिया और प्लेज बोली और फिर वो ब्रिटिश के पास गए थे, ब्रिटिश लोगों के पास.
Okay, but there is a confusion, so you have to listen carefully. Okay, any other students would you like to say? नहीं सर नहीं बोलेंगे. देखो सर बोलेंगे तो मैं चांस नहीं दूंगा. समीक्षा, yeah, Samiksha and Shaurya later on. First Samiksha, then Shaurya.
I understand from this video that Gandhi ji has gone to Dandi March with people, 78 people, and they traveled 3 weeks.
Oh, very nice. And on which day they started their journey? Do you remember the date? You have to observe carefully.
On 12 March.
Yeah.
On 10 March.
Others, please don't tell. You can write in the chat box. The chat box is open
At
for
12
you all.
March.
Yes,
At
12
12 March.
March 1930. I'm telling the date also. 12 March 1930. That's good. That's good. Yeah, Shivraj, now your turn. Shivraj, please tell me afterward. After Shivraj, one more girl, I don't remember her name. Shaurya. Shivraj, now your turn first. Shivraj.
Yes, sir. When the British was in our country, they were providing us salt, and they were taking from us tax also for the salt. And anybody of India side, anybody in village or a shop, anybody have to sell the salt. Then the British took them into the jail, and the jail was for 6 months. And
Okay, very nice, very nice. Enough. Yes, Shivraj, okay, you understand the concept. Very nice. Very nice to see and very nice to hear the answers from you. Shaurya, then Piyush Das. First Shaurya, then Piyush Das.
Sir, I learned about this video about salt. गांधी जी ने सॉल्ट के लिए दांडी मार्च तक गए थे और वो भी 78 पीपल्स के साथ. और जब उन्होंने सॉल्ट लिया था तब लोगों ने जो अमेरिकन थे उन्होंने उनको जेल में डाला था. और
Okay, well tried, Shaurya, no problem. Piyush Das कुछ कहना चाहता है. Piyush Das.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
दांडी मार्च में जब गांधी जी ने दांडी मार्च खत्म किया था, उनने थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट हाथ में लेके प्लेज लिया था.
क्या प्लेज लिया होगा, बता सकते हो आप? क्या बोला होगा उन्होंने?
उन लोगों ने उसने कहा कि हम ये लॉ तोड़ के रहेंगे।
ओके, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। तो इस तरह से हमें हिस्ट्री को थोड़ा सा याद करना है, और इसको मैं कंटिन्यू करूंगा क्योंकि मुझे और सीसीटी क्वेश्चंस भी लेने हैं। तो लेट मी कंक्लूड हियर कि गांधी जी ने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट चलाया। नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट मतलब है असहकार आंदोलन, मतलब उनकी मदद नहीं करना है, उनकी हेल्प नहीं करना है, जो भी ब्रिटिश सरकार कहेंगे उनकी बात नहीं माननी है। दिस इज नॉट सिविल नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट। वो 1930 में इतना फेमस हो गया, लैक्स ऑफ पीपल ज्वाइन फॉर दिस मूवमेंट, क्योंकि ब्रिटिश पीपल हमसे टैक्स ले रहे थे। ना तो आप नमक बना सकते हैं, ना ही आप बेच सकते हैं, नहीं तो उनको जेल भेजते थे। हमारा इंडिया, हमारे लोग, हमारा कंट्री, हम काम करते और टैक्स हमें ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को देना पड़ता था। दैट्स व्हाई गांधी जी लीड दिस मोमेंट, he become famous, and that's why we are getting this salt, and without salt our food is tasteless। और इस फूड में salt नहीं होगा तो फूड का मजा ही क्या है ना। हम कुकुम्बर खाते तो साल्ट लगाते हैं, गवा खाते तो साल्ट लगाते हैं, पानी पूरी में आगे मैं नहीं बोलूंगा।
वाटरमेलन में भी ब्लैक सॉल्ट लगाते हैं।
Yes, so salt is very, very essential product for us, and because of Gandhiji, we are getting salt in a cheaper rate, सस्ते में मिल रहा है। This is about the दांडी मार्च। आप 6th क्लास में, 7th क्लास में और डिटेल्स पढ़ेंगे, और ये वीडियो आपको बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन देगा। आप ध्यान से पढ़िए। हाउ द ब्रिटिशर्स वेयर रूलिंग आवर कंट्री एंड दे वेयर हराशिंग अस। वो हमें बहुत तंग करते थे। इसकी बहुत सारी फिल्में भी आई है, आपने डेफिनेटली देखा होगा। फिल्म से भी हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। ओके, नाइस टू हियर द आंसर्स गिवन बाय द स्टूडेंट्स। फिर इस स्वराली को मैं चांस देना चाहता हूँ। देखो, जो हमेशा बोलते मुझे पता है आप क्या बोलने वाले, जो नहीं बोलता है मैं उनको चांस दे रहा हूँ। स्वराली कुछ बोलो बेटा।
Yes, sir. I understand that British had made a law that against the salt, and they also uh, uh, tax on the salt.
Yes,
And
they
and
are asking. Yes, they are
and
asking
then
more tax.
the Gandhi ji start the 12th March. They do the Dandi March and go 240 miles.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So it is not possible that each and every individual will get chance. But if you are active, if you are raising your hands, if you are new child, then only you will get it chance. Yashraj, I gave you chance. Yashraj, you got the chance. Okay, so let me go ahead. So we are concluding this chapter now, and now we are going towards the conclusion. You will attempt the LAT. I am sharing you the link, but before that, let me see your critical thinking. I am reading the questions. Please you give the answer in chat box. So all will get the chance. One more thing, I will ask you the reason for that. So everybody will get the chance. Okay. So when I'm reading the question, please, reading the questions, please listen carefully. Give your answer. If you know the reason, type a small reason for that answer. I will give you chance accordingly. Let me take 5 questions. And after that, there will be a discussion or a doubt session. That day I already share you, and I share it because I hope that you will read this. Some solids directly changes state and become gases without first becoming the liquids. This is called the sublimation. Which of these is an example of sublimation? Sublimation means a solid object turn into the gaseous. That is called as the sublimation. So what are the correct answer? I'm reading the options. Please type in the chat box. The smell from the perfume in a bottle spreads across the entire room. B option, if an ice cube is left in the hot sun, nothing remains after a few hours. When water is boiled, it changes to the steam, and the mug ball used to keep insect away disappear in few days. So this is the four options. Now I'm just checking the answers given by the students. Yeah, this question I already discussed in the earlier period too. Yeah, most of the answers are the correct. Naphthalene balls जो आपके टॉयलेट्स में, यूरिन्स में, यूरिनल्स में रखते हैं, कपड़ों में रखते हैं, आपने डीमार्ट से लाया होगा, that is in a solid state, but after few days it's disappear and you can feel the smell also. आप smell से भी उसे पता कर सकते हैं. तो solid से directly gaseous में चला जाता है. Very good answer. Most of the students gave the correct answer. Now I'm reading the next question. Filtration. Filtration using the equipment shown can be used to separate which of the following materials. Now you might have seen this funnel, mixture solution poured here with this funnel, and the funnel containing the filter paper. Even paper also used. आपके घर में definitely होगा. Now, how and for what reason it is used? I'm reading the options. A solution of potassium permanganate and water. This potassium permanganate may be the new word for you. A solution of salt and water. A mixture of sugar and sand. A mixture of chili powder and water. So I'm just seeing the answers given by the student. Okay, please try to give it. Let it be wrong. Okay.
Yes, B.
Okay. Yeah. So most of the student gave the B answer, but this is the wrong answer. ये फनेल ऐसी चीज है, ये हम अलग करते हैं. क्या अलग करते हैं इससे? कि जो चीज मिक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. अब सॉल्ट और वाटर यदि मिक्स किया है, अब उसको अलग अलग तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. So B answer is wrong. So let me check the another answer. आप गए बच्चे C और D पे. So the appropriate answer is D. A mixture of chili powder and salt. ये हम इससे सेपरेट कर सकते हैं सीव के द्वारा, ये फनेल के द्वारा इसको हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. So the D answer is the correct answer. Let me go ahead. Now next question. Now please observe it. Observation बहुत जरूरी है आपका. Which thermometer is showing a reading closest to the temperature in your classroom on a hot summer day? So you should know the temperatures. Temperature is measured in the Celsius. And now you consider yourself as we are sitting in the classroom, and this is the April and May month. So now this temperature, now you can see here little bit hazy is there, and what temperature it will show. I'm reading the temperature in first 5 degrees Celsius. In second, there will be a 35 degrees Celsius. And third, there will be a 70 degrees Celsius. And the last 100 degrees Celsius. So which one is the correct answer? Now please write in the chat box. Most of the answers are correct. Others, please mute yourself. Someone's camera, mic is on. Please mute yourself. Yeah, most of the answer gave the correct answer. Very nice. You're observing, you know the temperature, and because of corona, everywhere the temperature is recorded. आजकल आपके बॉडी का टेम्परेचर हमेशा लिया जाता है. तो हमारे बॉडी का टेम्परेचर 35 से 40 के बीच में मोस्टली होता है ना. आजकल तो वो रीडिंग, द टेम्परेचर रीडिंग गन भी आ गया है, आपने बहुत जगह पे देखा होगा. सो नॉर्मल जो होता है रूम टेम्परेचर, इट्स नियर अबाउट 35 to 45 होता है. एंड व्हेन वी आर सीटिंग इन द क्लासरूम, डेफिनेटली द टेम्परेचर विल बी 30 to 40 के बीच में होगा. वेरी गुड आंसर्स बाय ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सुरेश इज कुकिंग राइस एट होम. अभी मेरे घर में भी राइस बन रहा था, आपने सुना भी है ना, राइस बन रहा था कुकर में. He measured water in a measuring jar. अभी उसने water is measuring in the measuring jar up to the level shown below and put it in the cooking bowl. How much water did he put? It's very simple question. How much water he put? कितना water उसने ले लिया राइस को कुक करने के लिए. इस जार में वाटर को शो किया है, उसको देख के बताना है. लेट मी सी कितने बच्चे ने सही किया. 550 ml, 800 ml, 700 ml, 520 ml. अब कौन सा आंसर सही है? बहुत सारे बच्चे गलत करेंगे. हाँ, मुझे पता था गलत तो होने वाला है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. बहुत सारे बच्चों का गलत आंसर आ रहा है. बी कंफर्म ऑन योर आंसर, चेंज मत करना आंसर.
C.
The C answer is the correct answer. जिसने आंसर C लिखा वो करेक्ट है. क्यों करेक्ट है मैं बता रहा हूं अभी. देखो यहाँ पे 500 ml हो गया, तो फर्स्ट लाइन 100 ml, सेकंड लाइन 100, थर्ड 100, फोर्थ 100, फिफ्थ लाइन पे 500 ml लिखा है, सिक्स लाइन पे 600 हो जाएगा और 7 पे हो जाएगा 700 ml. इट्स सो सिंपल. अरे रे 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 रे, अभी देखो कैसी चेंज कर रहे हैं आंसर. तो आपको थोड़ा सा लॉजिक लगाना है. कौन सा आंसर हो सकता है? या नाउ योर आंसर इज राइट. ओके ओके, प्लीज माइक ऑन ना करे, प्लीज माइक ऑन ना करे. सबको चांस मिल रहा है ना. आप अपने आंसर पर कंफर्म रहिए. आप अपने आंसर पे कंफर्म रहिए. किसी ने लिखा तो वो नहीं बताना है. I'm going to the next question. The water cycle is shown here as indicated. Water from the sea and ocean evaporates and rises as water vapor. Why does water vapor rise upwards? Why the water vapor is rising upward only? Now this is the CCT question and you have to answer appropriately. A, it is lighter than the surrounding air. It is cooler than the surrounding air. It is attracted to the clouds in the sky so that clouds can form to give us rain. So the answer is very, very simple. So let's me see your answer. Whether is A, whether is B, whether is C, whether is D. Again confusion. Again confusion. बहुत सारे बच्चे गलत लिख रहे हैं. इसका मतलब आप रीडिंग या लिसनिंग ध्यान से नहीं कर रहे हैं. वेरी फ्यू ऑफ यू आंसर द करेक्टली. बहुत कम बच्चों ने आंसर करेक्ट दिया है. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वंस अगेन आई एम रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन. जो वाटर साइकिल होता है इस पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. As indicated, water from the seas and oceans evaporate and rises up water vapor. Water vapor rises upside. Why does water vapor rise upward?
Option A.
It is lighter than the surrounding air. The A option is the correct answer. Let me tell you, ये option is the correct answer. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, दरख्वास्त करता हूँ, विनती करता हूँ, जब तक आपका नाम ना लूं प्लीज माइक ऑन ना करें. आप समझदार बच्चे हैं, आपको पता है कि सबको चांस मिलना चाहिए. मैं प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा हूं तो आप इसका यूज करो. आपके मन में क्यूरियोसिटी होता है कि मैं आंसर बताऊं. मैं रीड कर रहा हूं आपके आंसर. लेट्स मूव अहेड. Which of these will melt upon heating? जब हम उसको हीट करेंगे तो मेल्ट हो जाएगा. पेपर, पेंसिल, क्रेयॉन, चॉक. ये मैं किसी को नहीं पूछूंगा, मुझे पता है सबको आंसर आ जाएगा. आप ऐसी कौन सी चीज है, ऐसी कौन सी वस्तु है जिसको आप गर्म करने पर आफ्टर हीटिंग इट विल मेल्ट, वो मेल्ट हो जाएगी? द आंसर इज सी। अभी भी बच्चे चौक आंसर लिख रहे हैं। आंसर इज सी, क्रेयॉन। पेंसिल जल जाएगी, पेपर जल जाएगा, चौक जो है ज्यादा देर तक कुछ नहीं होगा, बाद में वो जल जाएगा। लेकिन क्रेयॉन आपको पता है, आपने खाया है, उसको लिखा है, मुंह में डाला है, उसको तोड़ा है, तो ये क्या होता है, मेल्ट होता है। उसको गर्म करने के पास देखो, थोड़ा सा सीखो, प्रैक्टिकल करो ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
कलर निकलने लगता है।
हाँ, अब ये क्वेश्चन दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? यस
सर क्वेश्चन नहीं दिख रहा, आंसर दिख रहा है।
हाँ, अभी मैं रीड कर रहा हूं, दिखाई देगा। Nafisa needs to measure out 7 milliliters of water for an activity. उसको सिर्फ 7 मिलीलीटर वाटर लेना है, एक्टिविटी करनी ना उसे। Which of these should Nasifa use? ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंटेनर है और उसको सिर्फ 7 मिलीलीटर वाटर लेना है, तो क्या लेगी? She will take the option A bottle, B dropper, C mug, D bucket. अब ये कौन बोला बीच में, मैं जरा देखना चाहता हूं, ये बीच में कौन बोला? बेटा एफ आंसर है नहीं। उत्कर्ष बायस कर बात करो, उत्कर्ष बायस कर बात करो।
सॉरी सर, वो चला गया।
बेटा आप ध्यान से टाइप करो ना, जब ये आप आंसर मैंने दिया ही नहीं, आप कुछ भी टाइप कर रहे हैं। हाँ, बच्चे बिना सोचे समझे आंसर दे रहे हैं। आपने इसको महसूस किया है, आपने उसे यूज किया है, फिर भी आंसर सही नहीं है। आपको सिर्फ 7 मिलीलीटर लेना है। आपने नाक में, कान में 1 मिलीलीटर, 1 ड्रॉप, 2 ड्रॉप डाला होगा। क्या आपने बॉटल से, मग से, बकेट से डाला था क्या? ड्रॉपर इज द करेक्ट आंसर, बी आंसर करेक्ट है। और देखो बच्चे क्या आंसर लिख रहे हैं, मतलब वो बिना पूछे, बिना पढ़े, बिना समझे सब आंसर लिख रहे। सबसे ज्यादा आंसर बी कम आए, अभी भी ये लिख रहे। चलो, हो सकता है कि पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो, तो यहाँ पे बी आंसर बिल्कुल सही है। मैं आगे जा रहा हूं। Now you have 2 beakers are there. You can see the water is there and kerosene is there. Or in second, third one, water is there and kerosene is there. When it is kept in the sunlight, one containing water and the other containing the kerosene are left undistributed on a window sill. This was what was observed after a few hours. And what does it experiment show? ये आपको दिखाया गया है, दोनों में सेम वाटर केरोसिन था। 2, 4, 5 घंटे के बाद देखा कि वाटर भी कम हो गया और केरोसिन भी कम हो गया। अब आपका आंसर आपको बताना है। All liquids evaporate when left untouched. Heat is necessary for evaporation. Some liquids evaporate faster than others. More water has evaporated than kerosene. आपको जो भी आंसर अप्रोप्रिएट लगता है उसका ऑप्शन आप लिखेंगे। मैं इन बिटवीन पूछूंगा। अंश खेड़ेकर आप बताइए कौन सा आंसर होगा। अंश, अंश खेड़ेकर, अंश खेड़ेकर, कैन यू हियर मी? Which is the appropriate answer?
एक मिनट सर,
You are not listening. दर्श, आप बताओ दर्श।
Sir,
C is the correct answer. Very good. Darsh is listening. Darsh is listening carefully. C answer is the correct answer. Very good. Some liquid evaporate faster than others. Very good. Now let me go ahead. Now another P, Q, R, the glasses are there. these three glasses having equal amount of water are taken and equal amount of salt are added to each of them. सभी में पानी सेम है, salt सेम है. After this, P is cooled, Q is heated and R is left undisturbed. अभी P को हमने क्या किया? कूल किया. और Q को हमने हीट किया और R को हमने कुछ नहीं किया. The liquid in which glass will now test most salty? कौन सा ग्लास ज्यादा साल्टी लगेगा? P, Q, R और all these tests same? या सबका टेस्ट सेम होगा? आपको यह आंसर बताना, P, Q और R या सबका सेम. मैं अभी पूछूंगा, या स्वराली बताइए. स्वराली बताइए.
ऑप्शन बी.
ऑप्शन बी. पीयूष दास आप बताइए.
ऑप्शन नहीं है.
ऑप्शन बताना है या ग्लास का नाम बताइए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आपको कंफ्यूजन. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर.
ऑप्शन बी.
ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, क्योंकि पानी और वाटर सेम है. When we heat, जब हम उसको हीट करेंगे, the water will convert into the water vapor and it will be more salty. इसको कहते हैं CCT questions. I hope you enjoyed this. मुझे आशा है कि आपने इसका मजा लिया होगा, सोचा होगा. तो अभी मैं आपके लैब भेज दूंगा दोपहर तक 2 बजे तक, और आप उसे अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. ओके. और आप जो मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बोले थे, वो क्वेश्चन आंसर आप 2 घंटे में पढ़ लीजिए. और जितने भी वीडियो मैंने डाले हैं उसको ध्यान से जो है आप उसको देखेंगे, समझेंगे. जिसको मेरी क्लास समझ में आई वो क्लास छोड़ सकता है. बाय कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं बोलेगा. जिसको क्वेश्चन पूछना है वो वेट करेगा. प्लीज वेट.